Dear friends, I am Dr. Chandra Mohan, Managing Director, Preeti Kidney Hospitals. Preeti Kidney Hospitals, Hyderabad is known for doing advanced urology, endoscopic and laparoscopic surgery work. We are sharing one small example where you see here two kidneys are present. In one kidney, there is a stone here. This patient was operated outside 8 times and the stone was here. So they came for stone removal. What we did is, this is the kidney and this is the tube. So when we went in, the stone was not there. It is there in the wall and this is blocked. So it is a cutoff here. There is a cutoff here, cutoff, and the only option for us is make a flap from the bladder and then do this. So ultimately we did, this is the ureter which is cut off here. This is the bladder flap and both are united, and then it continued. Then this bladder will regain its capacity after some time. To share that, I am going quickly how we have done. This is the MRI where the block is present, and this is the kidney function is less because of 8 surgeries. These are the where we put the ports with Indian robotic system SSI mantra. This is a robo and this is the column which we are separating, and this is the enlarged dilated ureter what we see here, this part, and then this is the bladder mobilization, ureter identification. This is the bladder. This is the bladder is brought like this. It is brought here, like this. It is brought here, and then this is the stone area. This area is removed. This is removed, and then this is the ureter, large dilated ureter after cutting this ureter, and then we measure the bladder. This is the length of the bladder, how much it has to come here. That is around 5 centimeters. Then we brought the flap like this. This is the flap. This is the flap here. And then we made anastomosis of these two, and ultimately it is a single tube. So bladder formed the tube. And then this is the stone removed along with the ureter. This is the stone. This is the damaged ureter. So thank you for patient listening. www.preetihospital.com will give more insights into the Preeti Hospital advanced work on kidney surgeries. Thank you.